I meet again in Math channel. We will solve algebra problem. Can you solve this problem? Solve for a real number x if the fifth root of 648x squared minus 540x minus 432 equal to x cubed minus 4x squared minus 15x plus 66. If we take power on both sides by 5, like this, the fifth root of 648x squared minus 540x minus 432 all the power of 5 equal to x cubed minus 4x squared minus 15x plus 66 all to the power of 5, then it will more difficult to solve this problem. So we have to take another trick. Six hundred and 48x squared minus 540x minus 432 equal to 108 times 6x squared minus 5x minus 4 equal to 108 times 3x minus 4 times 2x plus 1. There are two conditions for the fifth root of 648x squared minus 540x minus 432. The first, the fifth root of 648x squared minus 540x minus 432 less than or equal to 0. Then 3x minus 4 times 2x plus 1 less than or equal to 0. So x greater than or equal to minus half and less than or equal to 5 by 3. The second, the fifth root of 648x squared minus 540x minus 432 greater than or equal to 0, then 3x minus 4 times 2x plus 1 greater than or equal to 0. So x less than or equal to minus half or x greater than or equal to 5 by 3. 648x squared minus 540x minus 432 equal to 108 times 3x minus 4 times 2x plus 1 equal to equal to 18 times minus 2 times minus 3 times 3x minus 4 times 2x plus 1. By the EMGM in equation rule, 1 by n times a1 plus a2 plus a3 plus blah 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 plus an greater than or equal to the n root of a1 times a2 times a3 times and so on times en. So in this case, 1 by 5 times 18 minus 2 minus 3 plus 3x minus 4 plus 2x plus 1 greater than or equal to the fifth root of 18 times minus 2 times minus 3 times minus 3x plus minus 4 times 2x plus 1. So 1 by 5 times 5x plus 10 greater than or equal to the fifth root of 648x squared minus 540x minus 432 equal to x cubed minus 4x squared minus 15x plus 66. The 1 by 5 times 5x plus 10 equal to x plus 2. So x plus 2 greater than or equal to x cubed minus 4x squared minus 15x plus 66. Then x cubed minus 4x squared minus 16x minus 64 less than or equal to 0. X cubed minus 4x squared minus 16x plus 64 equal to the two first term has x squared as a common factor. So we will factoring it becomes x squared times x minus 4. And the second two terms, the common factor is minus 16. So we will factoring it becomes minus 16 times x minus 4. Then now the common factor is x minus 4. So x minus 4 times x squared minus 16 equal to x squared minus 16 equal to x minus 4 times x plus 4. So x cubed minus 4x squared minus 16x plus 64 equal to the square of x minus 4 times x plus 4. So if x cubed minus x squared minus 4x squared minus 16x plus 64 less than or equal to 0, then the square of x minus 4 times x plus 4 less than or equal to 0. If the square of x minus 4 times x plus 4 less than or equal to 0, then the square of x minus 4 greater than 0 and x plus 4 greater than or equal to 0, or the square of x minus 4 less than or equal to 0 and x plus 4 greater than or equal to 0. If x square, the square of x minus 4 greater than 0 and x plus 4 less than or equal to 0, then x greater than or equal to 4 and x less than or equal to minus 4. It is impossible. If the square of x minus 4 less than or equal to 0 and x plus 4 greater than or equal to 0, then the first, if the square of x minus 4 less than or equal to 0, then the the only solution is x equal to 4. If x plus 4 greater than or equal to 0, then x greater than or equal to minus 4. From this, we will find x equal to 4. If x equal to 4, not on the interval x greater than or equal to minus half, less than or equal to 5 by 3. But x equal to 4 is on the interval of x less than or equal to minus half, or x greater than or equal to 4 by 3. So the solution of the fifth root of 648x squared minus 440x minus 432 equal to x cubed minus 4x squared minus 15x plus 66 is x equal to 4. Verifying. The left hand side is the fifth root of 644 times 4 square minus 540 times 4 minus 432 equal to the fifth root of 10,368 minus 2,160 minus 432. So the left hand side equal to the fifth root of 7,776. Meanwhile, 7,776, if we divided it by 2, we will find 3,886. Divided it by 2, we will find 1,944. Divided it by 2, we will find 972. Divided it by 2, we will find 486. Divided it by 2, we will find 243. Divided it by 3, we will find 81. Divided it by 3, we will find 27. Divided it by 3, we will find 9. 9 by 3 equal to 3. So if we have to divide it by the prime number, if not divisible by 2, try to divisible by 3. If not divisible by 3, try to divide it by 5, and so on. So the fifth root of 7,776 equal to the fifth root of 2 the power of 2 power 5 times 3 power 5. So left hand side equal to 2 times 3 equal to 6. Meanwhile, the right hand side equal to 4 power 3 minus 4 times 4 square minus 15 times 4 plus 66 equal to 64 minus 64 minus 60 plus 66 equal to 6. So the left hand side equal to the right hand side. Then x equal to 4 is the solution of the problem. Thank you for watching. Like or subscribe. See you next time.